Live life to the fullest at Abberly Grove Apartments by HHHunt. Our apartments in Raleigh, North Carolina are not only incredibly well located, but also feature an impressive array of amenities, modern floor plans, and a pet-friendly atmosphere. Only 2 miles away from I-540, I-440, and Highway 64, and just a short ride away from downtown Raleigh, our community brings the world to your doorstep. Abberly Grove Apartment Homes by HHHunt is an oasis of tranquility. Relax after a long day with a swim in the shimmering pool. Cook delicious meals for your friends at the outdoor pergola with grilling areas. Work out in the community fitness center with advanced cardio and free weights. We also have other amenities like a clubhouse, a business center, outdoor kitchen, laundry center, coffee bar, playground, bark park, and miles of lit sidewalks. How many bedrooms do you need? Whether it is 1, 2, or 3, our floor plans are spacious, and you can even opt for a layout with a sunroom which you can enjoy picturesque views. The expansive ceilings and triple crown molding add a touch of elegance, while the modern kitchens with white-on-white cabinetry and appliances make cooking a pleasure. Plus, we can't help but mention our available storage units and detached garages. Those amenities, coupled with your floor plan's multiple closets, mean storage options are limitless. Your home will come equipped with ADT smart technology, seamlessly blending luxury and convenience. Join us today and discover how exceptional apartment living can be. This community offers national award-winning customer service, 24-hour emergency maintenance, and a management company with over 50 years of experience. Contact us today at AbberlyGrove.com. Abberly Grove Apartments by HHHunt is part of HHHunt Apartment Living. To view a full list of our communities in multiple states, please visit HHHuntApartmentLiving.com.